Ever wondered how your phone understands, "Hey Siri"? That's automatic speech recognition, or ASR, the technology that converts spoken words into text. But here's the catch. ASR models require massive amounts of labeled data to learn. Think of it like teaching a child to read using only books with perfect spelling. It works, but what if those books are missing? That's the problem. In many languages or contexts, real speech data is scarce, creating a bottleneck for progress. But researchers just cracked a breakthrough. They developed Twister, a system that uses synthetic speech to train ASR models, no real data needed at all. Let's dive into how it works. Imagine starting with a basic ASR model that's decent at recognizing speech but not perfect. Instead of relying on real audio, Twister begins by generating pseudo-labels, essentially the model's initial guesses about what's being said in unlabeled audio. These are like a student taking a test without looking at the answers. Then a text-to-speech, TTS, system turns those guesses into synthetic speech, like a robot reading the guessed text aloud. Here's the genius. The robot's reading is fed back into the original ASR model. It's like training a dog with a simulated treat. Over time, the model learns the right patterns, even if the input isn't real. This creates a feedback loop where the model refines its predictions, improving iteratively. Why does this work? Because synthetic data can be massive. The researchers used just 6,000 hours of unlabeled audio and a small text dataset to generate 10,000 hours of synthetic speech. The result? Twister reduces error rates by 20% in Mandarin and 50% in mixed language scenarios. Think of someone switching between English and Mandarin mid-sentence. This isn't just about scale. It's a game changer for low-resource languages or specialized fields where real data is hard to collect. Traditional methods demand vast amounts of annotated speech, but Twister cuts that need by 10x while maintaining high accuracy. Plus, it's inherently scalable. The more text you have, the more synthetic data you can generate, and the smarter the model becomes. So what does this mean for you? Better ASR means clearer subtitles, more accurate voice assistance, and tools that bridge language gaps. It's not just tech, it's a step toward universal accessibility. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for deeper dives into how Twister compares to other methods. Until next time, keep exploring the future of AI.